This is my N-scale layout, and I've finished powering all the Weissmann lamps here, and this is how it looks during night. All the background lighting switched off in the room, and I'm powering all the lights using 12 volts DC current through the adapter here in the controller. And these are the Veissmann lamps in scale. And this is how it looks. All my tracks are marked with some tape because I'm finishing the scenery work here. This tape helps to keep out the dirt. So stay tuned for more updates on the N-scale layout.